niya yung masarap pala ni Mishi. Please fish. Hindi mo gagambino eh. Ang dami na po naming mga cook. Lumabas na po yung mga official. Hindi na lang si Antanani. Good morning, everyone. It's the Christmas Eve morning.
Mishi, baby, enjoy pala.
May panghalan, wag mong kukunin sa anak mo ya. Nagbabalot na kami ng gifts, guys. Andito kami sa kwarto kasi hindi pa namin nabalot yung iba. May mga in-order kasi akong paper bag sa Temu, kaso ganito lang pala siya kaliit. Sobrang liit pala niya. So, yung iba na kasya dyan, sila na yung nilagay ko dyan. Tapos, may mga binili na rin akong tags na ganito para hindi na kami mag-effort pa. So, yun. Ay, magbabalot muna kami.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with the smile.
Hey everyone! So, lalabas kaming tatlo ni... Ay, mother! Oh my gosh! Nakakatakot ka naman mag-drive.
Kasi mataas yung snow.
Ang taas ng snow.
Kaya nga, pinuro-wheel drive ko.
So, nervous ako doon. Lalabas kaming tatlo, si Mother tsaka si Mac nandyan sa likod. Mag-grocery lang kami ng mga ibang kailangan namin for the Christmas Eve tsaka mga kailangan ni Mishi. Kasi po, nakatoka yung lala niya na pagbili ng diaper. Wala siyang nabiling diaper.
Sorry.
Isa na lang na peraso. Buti na lang madami kaming dalada pang travel. Yung nadala namin. Kaya may nagamit pa kaming extra. Then we go to Walmart. Kasi kunti lang naman na yung bibilhin namin. But the weather is so good. It's just +2. So, nakaganito lang kami. Walang naka-coat ngayon. Nagko-coat sana ako kanina. Sabi, bakit lalamigin ka? Mga judgmental. Pero mas madali kasing kumilos kapag hindi naka-coat. Kaya, nagganito na lang. Ito yung suot ko kahapon. Ayoko na kasing umakyat para... Ayoko na kasing umakyat para mag-t-shirt pa sa loob. Eh, naka-sweater kasi ako. So, my sweater and my... tawag dito. Itong farm jacket.
But I won't wait till next year to try and fill the distance we've had with decorations in my bag. It's taking it slow, won't work on time. It's only so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing sometimes. I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year. I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering.
Metong! Hi to my guys.
Tandem me.
Go!
Me walking barefoot in the San Diego snow. I wanna make you. I wanna make you. I wanna make you feel something familiar. I celebrate you. God did his thing with you. Don't be a stranger, be my baby.
Pero ang mahal, 169.
Robot. Di dryer
Bibili lang tayong ganyan. Ano na naman gagawin mo? Malapit na nga graduate sa bote yung anak mo.
Tipasig to kami. Ni Michelle.
Yeah.
Ayun niya.
Double purpose.
May 69 gift min ko kanya. Ha? Gift min kanya yung masarap pala ni Mishi.
Sabi ko na ni Genesis. Ano na Genesis pa?
Chicken wings, eggs. Hindi ko naknudal. Hey guys, so we are done na sa Walmart. Mother, can you get this? We will just go to Seafood City. Tama. Wala pala yung relo ko. Hindi ko dala. Seafood City and then Best Buy para makapag-edit na ako ng vlog. Walang vlog today kasi naiwan ko yung card reader ko. And ang memory, ang vlog ay nasa camera pa. So hindi ko pa na-transfer sa laptop yung vlog. So wala akong na-edit. So we need to go to Best Buy.
Tend to tell me when show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be.
All-purpose cream? For the what?
Yung fruit salad na ginawa nila kanina.
Ape, awanti all-purpose cream da.
Ayan na di.
Grabe, sobrang daming tao dito sa Seafood City. Mga Asians, of course. Oh guys, 3:15 na, hindi pa rin po kami tapos. Ay, wala pa kami regalo para kay Father Dear. Kakagaling lang namin dito sa Best Buy. Nakabili na ako ng card reader at saka nung hard drive ko. Kakancel ko na yung in-order ko sa Amazon. Grabe, in-order ko pa yun ng November 30. 2 beses na nakalagay na for delivery pero walang nade-deliver tapos hindi pa rin na-ship. So, kakancel ko na lang talaga yun. Mas mura pa yung tax dito. Ang sarap ng lamig niya. Gusto ko yung ganitong lamig lang. Yung hindi tayo nagpuko. Gutom ka na? Kasi, wala, kakita ka lang kasi ng burgeran. Kaya ka na naman nagugutom. Lagi ka naman gutom basta may burger. That one, how much is this? Oh, 43 lang. Adyo ka mapay, dahan-dahanan. Sana yung kasama na rin yung ano.
Ano yung papa mo sasabihin niya? Ay, mura yan kasi may kasama ng ulam.
Mura na yan. Ayan o, pwede na to for heavy duty aluminum half stain. Bakit 4 lang yan? Eh, 6 dapat. Eh, 3 daddy oh.
Mas magaling ka pa. Nag-repack.
Basta. Okay, ano kita? Thumbnail. Wait, thumbnail ko kayo. Ganyan. Bili na tayo ng luggage dati. Ay, ang laki oh. $4.99. Ikaw ang tumingin. Kung anong gusto mong isuot. Ayan oh, puting t-shirt. Baka magti-t-shirt nga lang daw si mama. Ayan oh. Ay, pang babae dati. Hello guys! Dito na kami sa bahay. Di ka nakikita daddy ah. Magbabalot lang ulit ako ng gift. Dagdag gift namin kay Father Dear. Binilhan namin siya ng backpack na pang work. Kasi yung backpack niya ngayon ay yung dala ko pa. Pasalubong ko pa sa kanya nung 2022.
Oh.
Kaya backpack na lang. Bilhan sana namin siya ng coat pero yung Hollister daw kasi na binili ko sa kanya nung 2022. Hindi naman daw niya masyadong ginagamit. Ginagamit lang daw for special occasion. Oh wow, thank you. Did you find the tape?
No, I even asked Mama. She said she doesn't know.
She doesn't know. Wow, why do you have a lot of chocolates?
Because I'm close.
No.
Because Grandma loves me.
Oh, is that from Grandma? So what did she get for Mishi then?
Food.
What?
Food.
Food? What food? Daddy, can you help me? Can you hold this part, please? Wait.
Uy!
Oh no!
Uy!
Wait. Anyway, that's it. See, that's why you don't show her that you're eating chocolate.
Hey, why are you only blaming me? Tito Mark is eating as well.
I'm telling it to both of you.
Not anymore.
Because you finished it all in front of her.
See, because whatever you're eating, she wants to eat those. Get her baby mom. Oh, please fit. Oh, it's done. Napakaingay na po ng aming kusina. Ang oras na po ay 5:45 at nagsisimula na po ang pagluluto. Ako ay gagawa ng maha blanca. Na-prepare ko na yung aming fruit, skewered fruit. We are promoting healthy lifestyle here. If you will learn how to cook, you should know how to slice. That's the basic of cooking, you know? That's why when you go to culinary school, they will teach you to slice first before they will teach you how to cook.
I already know how to slice.
That's right.
Grabe naman yung aming coconut milk po ay tumigas na po mga kapatid. Ito naman po yung Shanghai station po namin. Yan. Yan yung Shanghai nila. Ito yung pulutan nila. Yan. Dalawa pa lang ang nagagawa sa awa ng Diyos. This is our, what do you call this?
Chicken.
Chicken. Korean chicken station. Oh, Korean chicken. She's the one cooking for the Korean chicken. What are you doing?
Well, first I have to let it... Oh shoot, I need my garlic.
Hayaan na lang natin si Antananing because she wants to prove herself that she knows how to cook the Korean chicken.
I swear it's good.
I know. That's why we didn't buy a lot.
Wow.
Because there are a lot of food that we are gonna cook tonight. Alugi tayo, yung pinakamaliit natin. Sleeping already, preparing for the puyat again.
Again?
Yeah, you know what time she slept last night? It was already 11 something. It's like midnight in the US. Wow, she's a grown-up girl now. She's not the Antananing that everybody knows anymore. Oy.
Guys, let's not talk about that. It's really bad right now. Oh, shoot. It's because I'm trying to peel it off. I'm too lazy.
It's easier to peel if you smash it first lightly, not too much. I-ano na natin, low heat. Low heat and a whisk.
SZA released a new album. Of course, I'm gonna listen to it.
Do I have to cook
Yeah, but not
spaghetti? Only the small one, no?
Alam, lutom lang tan, mother. We can fry it tomorrow anyway.
So my recipe is I'm
Ngayon
going.
pa lang nauumay na ako. Ayoko nang kumain.
I have to wait for this to disintegrate and to turn brown.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna build a house that has inner kitchen and then outer kitchen so that when everybody's home, everybody can cook their own recipe. And then outside, it has a pool. Inflatable pool. Oh, very classy.
Very, yeah.
Very rich, but it's inflatable pala. You thought it's a real pool, huh?
Yeah, I thought.
Because it's expensive to build pool
know,
and it's not worth it if I'm not gonna stay there.
to prepare.
Yeah, you should clean you should have an aftercare. You should clean your station. Not like that. Ikaw ang may chismis, mag-mic. Ito, ako na yung unang may chismis. Si Mishi, kanina. Ayaw niya si Tawen. Kasi, natakot si Mishi. Timuray mo to. Hindi din babano ko, timuray mo to. Oh, you get the mic. Next chismosa. Wow! Parang tunay na chef naman ito, oh. What are you gonna do with that?
I'm gonna marinate it.
Oh, okay. With
marinating thingies. I don't know.
oh, what's that sauce?
Yes.
Smells good.
That's for my honey hot chicken.
Yeah, it smells good. It smells like chicken, soul chicken. You know the one
Can you taste it?
downtown. No, I don't want.
Mama, come taste this.
Oh, ipahinaan mo yung fire mo. It's gonna get burned na.
Dapat nasa low na yan, doon sa low.
Can you not smell the burn?
No, my nose is blocked.
There's a black thing.
Stop it! We don't talk about that, okay?
You're cooking a lot of chicken and then mamaya your chicken is failed. Tignan nyo naman po yung ang dami niyang mga ingredients dyan, oh. Ang dami-dami niyang ingredients.
Tuktok na niya ilawit ng mga kumigate.
Yes. Kami naman ang in charge sa carrots and patatas. Charge ako sa pag-slice nito. Oops. You remove that. We will cook caldereta. Calderetang kambing. Awang mutik mo. Hindi mo gagambino. Basta. Yan. Kanina ka pa nagluluto. Naluto ko na yung mahablangka ko. Magluluto na sila tito mo. Hindi ka pa rin tapos.
na kami ng camping.
But we are so proud of you because not all... How old are you? 11? 10. Not all 10 years old can cook Korean chicken, huh? Ang dami naman kasi niyang taga-tikim. Ang daming comment ng mga taga-tikim mo. Dapat you only have one taga-tikim. Ang dami na po naming mga cook. Lumabas na po yung mga official. Hindi na lang si Antanani. Kung bakit nasa kusina lahat. Yung tatay, nagkakape-kape lang. Sige kuya, upo ka dito kuya.
Kaya kuya. Oh, tingnan mo, busy sila pa.
Kape-kape. Pero sana may exhaust pan tayo, ano? Kasi si Genesis na yung nagluluto eh. Asok na ito. Basta siya yung magluluto, puro usok. Dapat kasi nilagay mo na dyan and then just shake, shake, shake.
Or if you want to brush it, there's a brush.
Yeah.
Sa kanya, hindi naman nagkikinig.
Ayan na, meron na po tayong Shanghai na naluto po. Ano mga kapatid, ito po yung mahaba, ito po yung mataba, ito yung short, ito yung mapayat. Tikman natin yung maliit lang.
Matang ni Manong mo, nagparty. Hey! No.
Unang kagat, rapper. Ay, unang kagat, rapper. Pangalawang kagat, rapper ulit. Sabi ko na mag-shrink kasi yan. Let me taste.
Kung mong pa niya, talak ni Chopper.
Wow.
So, kung re-rebukod na ni ko. Hey! Hey! Ano mo yung pag-ato?
Looks good.
Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you.